Good morning, students. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are back with sound sensation. This is video number 6. Today we are having the chapter explanation, page number 137, 138, paragraphs number 2, 3, and 4. Let's start. Last time what we have done, let's have a little recap of that. We discussed that great people are really successful, but their success depends on a lot of difficulties that they have faced in their lives. Evelyn Glennie is one of them, and in the first paragraph we have read that she was standing on a train platform, and it is what we are going to study. It's a biography of Evelyn Glennie. Her appearance that is given in the text was thin girl of 17, but she looked younger than her age. She was very much frightened but excited also. One more thing we got to know, that she is a musician but completely deaf. Now page number 37, paragraph number 2. Evelyn Glennie, you are going to read with me first, okay? Evelyn Glennie's loss of hearing had been gradual. Gradual means slowly, okay? Had been gradual. Her mother remembers noticing something was wrong when the 8-year-old Evelyn was waiting to play the piano. Something was wrong, her mother noticed. They called her name and she didn't move. Mother is saying, I suddenly realized she hadn't heard, says Isabel Glennie. Isabel Glennie is the name of the mother. This is the name, Isabel Glennie. For quite a while, Evelyn managed to conceal her growing deafness from friends and teachers. She was not able to hear, but she was hiding it from them. Conceal means hiding. But by the time she was 11 years old, her marks has deteriorated, and her headmistress urged means forced her parents to take her to a specialist. Okay, marks were not good, marks went down. She was failing in most of the subject because obviously she could not hear, and her headmistress forced her parents to take her to a specialist. A specialist means a special doctor for hearing. You call them ENT, okay? Because they are a specialist in ear, nose, and throat. Not teeth, it's throat. It was then discovered that her hearing was severely impaired. Severely impaired means severely damaged as a result of gradual means slow nerve damage. One of the nerve was damaged somehow. Because of that, her hearing was damaged. They were advised, who were advised? Parents were advised that she should be fitted with hearing aid. This is the pic of hearing aid, and sent to the school for the deaf. Parents were advised that she cannot go to some normal school. So she is going to wear some hearing aid, this kind of machine, and she will be sent to some special school which is for deaf people. Everything suddenly looked blank, and that's how black, says Evelyn. That's how she felt at that time, that it's now end of the world, end of everything. Okay, let's have a look at the difficult words the word that we have discussed. Gradual means in phases, slowly and gradually. Conceal means to hide. A specialist is a doctor specializing in a particular part of the body. Deteriorated means worsen, reduces, lessen, means to become less. Urged, requested. Urged means requested, forced. Impaired, weakened. Impaired means weakened. Impaired hearing means her hearing was weakened. To become weak, kamzor ho jana. Now page number 37, paragraph number 3. It's starting from page number 37 and going to page number 38. You can see the picture of Ron Forbes, because in this paragraph we are going to talk about Ron Forbes as well. Okay, but Evelyn was not going to give up. Give up means leave it. I cannot do it. Okay, become a loser. She was determined. She was determined means she was very much, she wanted to go for it. She wanted at that time something that she wanted to achieve. She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. She wanted to live a normal life, and she also wanted to become a musician. One day she noticed a girl playing a xylophone. She noticed a girl was playing what? A xylophone. Sorry. A xylophone, and decided that she wanted to play this too. Most of the teachers discouraged her. They said you cannot do it. But percussionist Ron Forbes, this man, spotted her potential, her talent. He began by tuning two large drums to different notes. Okay? What he did, he tuned. Tuned means he put it on the different level. Okay? So that if you are banging on one, the tone will be high, and if you are banging on the other one, the tone will be very low. Okay? Then he said to her, don't listen through your ears. Don't listen through your ears, he would say. Try to sense it some other way. Sense means just feel it. Okay? Now, students, I would like you to notice that sometimes you just feel the vibration of the phone. The phone is ringing, but it's on silent. But you feel it, that it's ringing somewhere, maybe beside your pillow or somewhere. Okay. Then suddenly, Evelyn says, suddenly I realized I could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. What she said, it's her feeling. Definitely, it's differing for everyone. She is saying that the higher drum I could feel from my waist up. What is a waist? Waist is the... Yes, ठीक है. It's the body part of your body. कमर का जो हिस्सा होता है, that's called waist. Okay? So, from the waist up, she could feel the higher tone drum, and the lower tone drum she would feel from the waist down. Okay? Now Forbes repeated the exercise. This means again playing the drum and asking her to feel. Soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. Okay? She was feeling in different parts of her body. I had learned to open my mind and body to sounds and vibration. What she has done, she has stopped listening and she has opened her body to feel. Okay, the rest was sheer determination and hard work. Sheer means complete. Determination means real wanting to do something, and hard work, you understand hard work. She was then determined. She wanted really crazy about wanting this, that she wanted to become a musician, and that's why she really did work hard. The difficult vocabulary in this was pursue, to follow. Xylophone is a musical instrument. Percussionist is a person who plays the drum, the tabla, etc. A person who play different musical instrument. Potential means ability or quality or talent. Paragraph number 38, sorry, page number 38, paragraph number 4. Okay? Are you with me? Thank you. Let's see. She never looked back from that point onwards. She toured the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra, young people who were part of orchestra. Orchestra, what is orchestra? Orchestra is a band, okay, complete band. And by the time she was 16, she had decided to make music her life. She had already decided that what will be her career, what she wanted to be at the age of 16. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the academy. Highest marks. Okay. Now we started the chapter when she is standing on the train platform, right? So she was then also going towards Royal Academy of Music. She gradually moved from orchestral work to solo performance. Orchestra work means working in a complete band, okay? And solo performance means working alone. Alone. Solo means alone, performance alone, performing alone. At the end of her 3 years course, she has captured most of the top awards. Okay? Top awards she has already captured at the end of 3 years of her course. Difficult vocabulary of this was youth, young people. Orchestra is a group of musicians. Auditioned means she has given a small performance so that the people could decide that she is good enough to take or not. Orchestral work is group performance, performing in a group of musicians. Solo means alone, single. Today's lessons recap. We learned that at age 8, her mother noticed for the very first time that there is some problem with her hearing. At age 11, her marks suffered. On the advice of the headmistress, she was taken to a specialist. Hearing aid was advised. And she wanted to play xylophone, but nobody helped her, only Ron Forbes helped her. Then her hard work and determination was there to achieve her the success. Okay? By the end of this paragraph, paragraph number 4, we have known that she has already achieved many awards, and that was one of her success. Inshallah, we'll meet you soon. Allah Hafiz.